Top 5 Best Car Vacuum Cleaners for Every Budget in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaner, High-Efficiency HEPA Filter. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter, this vacuum ensures a high-efficiency clean for your car's interior. Multifunctional design. This versatile mini vacuum cleaner offers 3 functions: vacuuming, blowing/inflating, and exhausting. Powerful motor performance, boasting an 11.1V high-speed brushless motor. This mini cordless vacuum cleaner delivers robust suction, portable and lightweight. At just 470 G, this handheld vacuum cleaner is easy to handle and maneuver for thorough cleaning. Extended battery life. With a 2000 mAh battery, this car vacuum cleaner offers up to 15 minutes of high-end suction. Number 5. Xiaomi Car Vacuum Cleaner Electric Appliance Cleaner. Lightweight portable, weighing just 0.3 kilograms, this mini portable vacuum is lighter than a bottle of water, making it effortless to carry and use. High-powered dual suction modes. Equipped with a powerful 50-watt motor, it offers 2 suction modes to tackle different cleaning tasks with ease. Wireless USB charging. The wireless design, powered by 2 1800 mAh lithium batteries, ensures freedom from cords for more flexible use. Multifunctional suction head. Comes with a versatile suction head, ideal for cleaning various corners in cars and homes. Low noise operation. Operates at a noise level greater than 77 decibels, ensuring a relatively low noise level during use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.